again, the Delhi government is preparing measures to contain any further rise in onion and sugar prices. This includes procuring onion from NAFED and selling them at procurement prices. We have Ankit on board with us with an on-ground report from Jammu on the rise in prices and how they're affecting the common man.
The onion price surged the consumers in tears. From last 2 days, there has been a rapid raise in the price of the onion. First, it was the shopkeepers, the vegetable shopkeepers were selling the onion on the rate of 40 rupees. But now, from last 2 days, there has been a rapid raise in the price of the onion. Now in Jammu, it's almost about 60 rupees per kg. While this clearly shows that how the rise of the onion price has been commonly affected the pocket of the common people in Jammu and Kashmir and rest of the country. We will talk to the shopkeeper over here what he has to say on the rise and the price hike of the onion. साहब पहले कितने रुपए बिक रहा था ये प्याज और अब कितने रुपए बिक रहा है?
सर पहले 40 रुपए किलो था, आज पहले 40 रुपए किलो था, आज की डेट में 60 रुपए किलो सर।
तो ये बताइए कि लोग तो नहीं आते झगड़ने, पहले आप 40 बेचते थे, अब?
हाँ आते हैं सर, कई होते हैं ऐसे, कई तो ले जाते हैं जिनको पता होता है, तो लड़ने वाले भी होते हैं और दूसरे भी होते हैं, क्या करना।
So due to the sudden price hike of the onion has clearly affected the common people's pocket, and now in Jammu also there has been a rapidly price hike in the onion. 2 days back, this onion was being sold by the vegetable vendors on rupees 40. Now it's being sold at rupees 60. This is a clearly worrying the common people, and their pocket is also being affected due to the price hike in the onion.